How to view loan details in Citibank. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to check your Citibank loan details from your desktop, well, here is how you can do it. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here, once inside you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Citibank. And now here on the search result, you just have to click on the first link and after that you'll be prompted to the official website of the Citibank. Now here you simply have to log in using your user ID and password, and once you are logged in on your main dashboard you can simply scroll down or navigate to the account summary section, and there you just have to click on your loan account, whether it's personal loan, home loan, auto loan, and there you now see complete loan info such as remaining balance, interest rate, monthly installment, due dates and term lengths, and payment history. And there, if you want to access more option, there you can also make a loan payment, download statements, or set up auto pay or view payoff info. And that's it. That's how you can view your Citibank loan details right from your desktop. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.